In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Coinbase. If you prefer a softer look that's easier on the eyes, especially at night, dark mode is a great way to make Coinbase more comfortable to use, and a little gentler on your battery on devices with OLED screens. First, open Coinbase. You can use the mobile app on your phone or visit coinbase.com in your browser. Go ahead and log into your account so you can access your settings. If you're using the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version so all appearance options are available. Next, head into Settings. On mobile, tap your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen, and then choose Settings from the menu. On desktop, click your profile avatar at the top right and select Settings there. If you don't immediately see Settings, scroll the menu a bit or look for a gear icon. It's the same place where you manage your account preferences and security. Within Settings, find the Appearance section. This is where Coinbase lets you control how the interface looks. You'll see three options. Auto matches your device's system theme, switching between light and dark based on what your phone or computer is set to. Light keeps the interface bright at all times. And dark keeps Coinbase in dark mode all the time, often indicated with a small moon icon. If you're not sure which to pick, Auto is a good default because it stays in sync with your device. Before we switch it, a quick note. If you need the Coinbase app or want to access the website directly, I've placed the download link and the official site link right at the top of the description so you can grab them quickly and safely. Now, choose dark. The change happens instantly. Your backgrounds will shift to deeper tones, text will switch to lighter colors for contrast, and charts and menus will adapt so everything stays readable. If something looks off at first, give it a moment. The interface typically refreshes across all tabs or screens as you navigate. That's it. Dark mode is now enabled. If you ever want to change it back, return to Settings, open Appearance, and pick Light or Auto. This flexibility is handy if you use Coinbase in bright environments during the day and prefer a darker look at night. I hope this helped you get set up quickly. If it did, feel free to share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.